Ndewo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is the Igbo teacher. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name remains Edna, onye nkuzi Igbo. Nnọọ n'ihe onyonyo nke taa. Afa m bụ Edna, onye nkuzi Igbo. In today's video, we'll learn 50 Igbo phrases or 50 daily used phrases and short sentences in Igbo language. Tata, anyị ga-amụ ụmụ obere mkpụrụ okwu na obere ahịrịokwu iri ise n'asụsụ Igbo. Ready? Let's begin. Ngwa ka anyị bido. Nke mbụ bụ ndewo. Ndewo means hello or well done. Ndewo, hello or well done. Ndewono. This is when you are saying it to some group of people. Ndewono. The NU there or NUO there makes it plural. You are saying it to a set of people, not just one person. When it's one person, you say ndewo. When they're in group 2, 3, 4 in groups, you say ndewono. Ụtụtụ good morning. Ụtụtụ good morning. These are words we often use. Anyage. Anyage. When I say anyage, when you see somebody and say anyage, it means it's been a while. It's been a while. And the person will respond, anya nibe ya. Anya nibe ya. Meaning, same here. Same here. Kedu ka ezinụlọ gị mere? Kedu ka ezinụlọ gị mere? How is your family? And the response should be, ha dị mma. Or you say, ọ dị mma. Ha dị mma. Or mo, all means maọbụ. Maọbụ, ọ dị mma. That is, they are fine. Kedu ka ndị be gị mere? Kedu ka ndị be gị dị? Kedu ka ndị be gị dị? How is your family? The response remains ihe kwesịrị ịsa. That means the response remains ha dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Meaning they are fine. They are fine. Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? Still the same question. How is your family? Being asked in a different way. The response remains, you know what to answer. Ha dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Ha dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Ha dị mma. Oche dị. It means, do have a seat. Oche dị. Or wherever oche. Oche dị. Or wherever oche. Oche dị maọbụ wherever oche means do have a seat. Ọjị abịala. Ọjị abịala. Oji abiala. Meaning, here is kola nuts. Here is kola nuts. In Igbo land, Oji does not mean only kola nuts. Oji could be food. Oji could be drinks. Oji could be any other thing, or the native kola nuts. But anytime you hear Oji abiala or lepa Oji, it means here is kola nuts. And your response should be Dalo. Dalo. Dalo means thank you. Dalo hinne. This is another response when you are giving something. Dalo rinne. Meaning thank you so much. Or you say imela. Imela. All these things are respond when you are giving something. It means thank you. Thank you. Akolam Oji. If somebody tells you Akolam Oji, it means Akolam Oji means there is no kola nuts in the house. Maybe you have a visitor, or I don't have anything, no. But you just say Akolam Oji, and the person will respond Nsowu adeghi. That means no problems. There is no problem. Nsowu adeho, or Nsowu adeghi. No problem. Bia. 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 Everybody knows this one. Bia means come. Bia means come. Bia eba. Bia eba. That is come here. Come here. Your response should be Anam abia. Anam abia. I am on my way, or I am coming. I am on my way. Anam abia. You can still respond in a negative way. Anahim abia. Anahim abia. Meaning I am not coming. I am not coming. Bia rienri. Bia rienri. Come and eat. Come and eat. You can respond, oh, anamabia. Or you respond, mba, anahim eri. Oh, anamabia means, okay, I am coming to join you. Mba, anahim eri. That means, no, I am not eating, or no, I am okay. Anytime you say anahim eri, it means you are not eating, maybe you are okay, or you just finished eating. Kam biakwa. Kam biakwa. Kam biakwa means I am coming. I am coming. Kam biakwa or anam abia is a kind of excusing yourself when you are with somebody. It's just like saying, I will be right back. Kam biakwa. I will be right back. Kam biakwa. Anam abia. The two means ha bo. That means the two means I will be right back. Ka anyị bido. Ka anyị bido.